God bless everybody and welcome back to Modern Auto Diagnostics. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of send a couple of shout outs to some of the resources that have helped me along the way. I'm here with my son again, and this time he has Super Mario instead of having Sonic. ¿Verdad, papi?
Sí.
So I just wanted to give a little shout out to some resources that have helped me along the way to learn about diagnostics, automotive, and electrical in general. So I know a lot of these or some of these individuals, you guys probably already have a lot more knowledge than I do, being since they're not new to the game, but they are very, very helpful. Starting off with none other than Mr. Scanner Danner himself, teacher at Rosedale, teaching Rosedale College, teaching electrical and automotive diagnostics. His book, his channel, his subscription channel, it is phenomenal. So huge shout out to Mr. Scanner Danner. Also huge shout out to Super Mario Diagnostics. Both Scanner Danner and Mario, very cool individuals from what I can see. Have never met them in person, but above all things, what actually fills me with joy is that, you know, they're both Christian, man. They're both born again Christians. So that makes me just feel a whole lot much more better about this. Te amo, papi.
Te amo.
And other than that, the other people that I do see or find myself watching regularly, because they show you also the practical way of using scopes and diagnosing and see, papi.
Sí.
In real time, it's gonna be South Main Auto. I think his name is Eric, if I'm not mistaken. South Main Auto, always diagnosing and showing in real time how to properly use your tools. Porque estás tapando el micrófono. How to properly use the tools and doing it in real time. Also him and I don't know his name, but it's Advanced Level Diagnostics. Another individual who is constantly showing you in real time.
¿Qué, papi? Mi mamá viene.
¿Sí, papi? Nos interrumpió.
Mamá, cierra la puerta.
Pardon that interruption. My wife came in. We had something we had to speak about. And I think we were talking about Advanced Level Diagnostics. I don't recall his name off the top of my head. However, he is another individual.
Super Mario. Papá.
¿Qué, papi?
Te amo.
Te amo, mi amor. So he's another individual who's very hands-on while he's doing his diagnostics. Espérate, papi, ahorita hablo.
¿Un camión azul?
Sí, papi, cuando crezcas.
Okay.
He's another individual who does a lot of hands-on work, so in real time. So as he's diagnosing, you're actually seeing him diagnose in real time. So that's actually phenomenal, man, because you could actually see it in a practical sense. So that's why. And that's why. That's why I recommend these four individuals. Excuse me, 1 second. So yeah, those are some of the resources. There's more resources out there, but as far as like individuals or people who are on YouTube who do the same thing that we do day in and day out, those are people that I would actually highly recommend. You can also probably look into like Pico Automotive, that they actually teach you how to use their tools. So okay, that, like I said, it was just a short video, but you know, just so you guys can know where I come from and where I learned a lot of the stuff that I actually learned from, man. God bless each and every single one of you guys.